prevailing preferences in makeup, skincare, hairstyling, and personal grooming. They evolve based on cultural influences, technological advancements, and social media impacts. Fashion trends. These encompass the popular styles in clothing, footwear, accessories, and overall aesthetic. They are cyclical, often inspired by past decades, current events, and innovations in design. Influencing factors, cultural shifts. Social movements and cultural changes heavily influence trends. For example, the 1960s hippie movement led to the popularity of bohemian styles. Technology. Advancements in materials and production techniques can create new possibilities in fashion and beauty, such as the use of sustainable fabrics or 3D printed makeup. Celebrities and influencers. Public figures and social media influencers set trends by showcasing new styles and products to large audiences. Fashion weeks and runways. Major events in cities like Paris, New York, and Milan showcase designers' latest collections, setting the tone for upcoming seasons. Media and advertising. Magazines, TV shows, and online platforms play a critical role in popularizing trends. Consumerism in beauty and fashion refers to the economic and social phenomenon where individuals' purchasing decisions are influenced by the desire to adhere to the latest trends. It encompasses the frequent buying of new products and the continuous consumption cycle. Drivers of consumerism. Marketing strategies. Companies use targeted advertising, celebrity endorsements, and influencer partnerships to create demand for new products. Social status and identity. Many consumers purchase fashionable items to express their identity, social status, and personal style. Fast fashion. Brands like Zara and H&M produce trendy clothing quickly and cheaply, encouraging frequent purchases. Peer pressure and social media. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok showcase constant updates on the latest trends, creating a sense of urgency to stay current. Planned obsolescence. The fashion and beauty industries often design products with a limited lifespan, encouraging repeat purchases. Economic impact. The beauty and fashion industries generate significant revenue, creating jobs and stimulating economic growth. Environmental impact. High consumption leads to waste and pollution. The production processes often involve harmful chemicals and significant carbon footprints. Social impact. There is a growing concern about the perpetuation of unrealistic beauty standards and the pressure on consumers to constantly update their wardrobes and beauty routines. Sustainability and ethical considerations. In response to the negative impacts of consumerism, there is a growing movement towards sustainable and ethical practices in beauty and fashion. Sustainable materials. Using organic, recycled, or biodegradable materials. Fair trade practices, ensuring fair wages and working conditions for workers. Slow fashion. Emphasizing quality over quantity, encouraging consumers to buy less and choose timeless pieces. Clean beauty. Focusing on non-toxic, environmentally friendly ingredients in beauty products. Conclusion. Beauty and fashion trends are dynamic and influenced by various factors, leading to high levels of consumerism driven by social and economic motivations. While these industries significantly impact the economy, they also pose environmental and social challenges. The growing emphasis on sustainability and ethical practices aims to mitigate these negative effects and promote a more responsible approach to consumption. Fast fashion refers to the rapid production of inexpensive clothing to meet the latest trends. This model emphasizes quick turnaround times from design to retail, enabling consumers to purchase trendy items at affordable prices. Rapid production. Fast fashion brands produce new collections quickly, often within weeks of identifying a trend. Frequent releases. Unlike traditional fashion cycles with seasonal collections, fast fashion brands release new items continuously throughout the year. Affordable pricing. Low-cost materials and labor make fast fashion items accessible to a broad consumer base. Trend replication. Designs are often inspired by high-end fashion shows and celebrity styles, making trendy looks available to the mass market. Major players. Prominent fast fashion brands include Zara, known for its quick response to emerging trends and frequent inventory turnover. H&M offers a wide range of trendy clothing at low prices. Forever 21 targets younger consumers with affordable, fashionable pieces. Uniqlo combines fast fashion with a focus on quality basics. Business model. Design and manufacturing. Fast fashion brands often design and produce garments in-house or through vertically integrated supply chains, allowing for greater control and efficiency. Logistics and distribution. Efficient logistics systems enable rapid distribution from factories to retail stores. Retail strategies. Frequent stock rotation and limited quantities create a sense of urgency, encouraging impulse buying. Impacts of fast fashion. Economic impact. Revenue generation. Fast fashion contributes significantly to the global apparel market, providing affordable options and creating jobs. Market competition. It increases competition, driving innovation, and offering consumers more choices. Social impact. Labor practices. Many fast fashion brands rely on low-cost labor from developing countries, often leading to poor working conditions and low wages. Consumer behavior. Encourages a culture of disposable fashion, where clothes are worn only a few times before being discarded. Environmental impact. Resource consumption. Fast fashion production is resource-intensive, consuming large amounts of water, energy, and raw materials. Waste and pollution. High turnover rates result in significant textile waste. Production processes often involve harmful chemicals, contributing to pollution. Carbon footprint. The global supply chains and rapid production cycles of fast fashion contribute to high carbon emissions. Sustainable alternatives. In response to the negative impacts of fast fashion, sustainable and ethical alternatives are gaining traction. Slow fashion focuses on quality and timeless designs, encouraging consumers to buy less and invest in durable pieces. Sustainable materials. Use of organic, recycled, or eco-friendly materials to reduce environmental impact. Ethical production ensures fair wages and safe working conditions for garment workers. Second-hand and upcycling promotes the use of second-hand clothing and creative reuse of existing garments to reduce waste. Conclusion. Fast fashion offers trendy, affordable clothing by prioritizing speed and cost efficiency, but it comes with significant social and environmental costs. The rise of sustainable fashion aims to address these issues by promoting responsible consumption and production practices. As consumers become more aware of these impacts, the fashion industry is gradually shifting towards more sustainable and ethical models. Thrift stores, also known as second-hand shops or charity shops, are retail outlets that sell used goods at reduced prices. These stores typically stock a wide variety of items, including clothing, accessories, household goods, furniture, and books, which are donated by individuals or businesses. Affordable prices. Thrift stores offer goods at significantly lower prices compared to new items, making them accessible to a broad range of consumers. Variety and uniqueness. The inventory is diverse and constantly changing, offering unique and often vintage or rare items. Donations-based inventory. Most thrift stores rely on donations from the public, which keeps the supply of goods fresh and varied. Non-profit operation. Many thrift stores are run by non-profit organizations, and the proceeds often support charitable causes.